Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this glass salt shaker from Dollar Tree as well as these paper flowers from Hobby Lobby. I paint the outside of the salt shaker with Plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly, and I give that a couple coats. Next I'm using these clear stamps that I got from Temu, and I'm placing them onto this clear stamp block that I got from Dollar Tree. And I just have to do it in two different sections and making sure that the spacing is right and they're even. I place my ink pad on top of those and then stamp on half of the word and then do the remaining letters, again making sure they're lined up, putting the ink pad on there. And the good thing about the clear block is you'll be able to see your placement to make sure that that word is nice and straight. I dry the ink, and then I'm using Barcelona beige chalk paint to paint the lid. I then place in some floral foam inside the glass jar, put back on the lid, and wrap some twine around the top of the jar where it meets the lid, and then tie that in a knot. Next, I'm making a burlap flower. I'm using this 2.5-inch burlap ribbon I got from Walmart, and then I'm pulling out the longer strands. I start using needle nose pliers to get it started, and then just pull out the remaining pieces with my hands. To prevent those shorter strings from falling off, I do add some Mod Podge to the edges of the rim of that ribbon. Place those two edges together and then just wrap the edges onto itself and roll it up until I have it completely closed, and use hot glue to keep that in place. And then go back through and just open up those strings to create a little flower look. I trim up that twine that was on there and hot glue that flower above that knot, trying to make sure to not cover that word. And then take these paper flowers, and they're again from Hobby Lobby, and then put them in the holes on the lid, pushing them into that foam. And just do that until I have it completely filled in on the top. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.